how to create AI animations like this using Seedance, Grok, and other AI model. I'm going to be teaching you that today. So I found a new platform called remove Sora watermark.online. So you go to your browser and you type that, okay? Once you type that, you make sure you sign in, then you go through the platform. As you can see, it has Seedance, Sora, VEO, Grok Imagine, Kling. It has different AI models. So just do well to navigate the app, okay? So once you are done, they will give you 5 credits for free. Okay, then you tap on this place, you see AI video. If you tap on it, you'll see all the AI model: Grok, Sora, Kling, VEO, Seedance, Gemini, Omni, Pixverse. If you tap on AI image, you'll see ChatGPT, Nano Banana. These are the AI models I use. If you tap on AI audio, you'll see it uses 11 labs. Now we're going to be using the AI video because we already have our image and our dialogue, so we just want to use to create a video. So you select your AI model. I selected Grok 1.5 Imagine. Okay, now once you select your AI model, it's going to open like this. Okay, you can just go through the interface to see how it looks like. So now that we are here, you are going to tap on this place, the role model, to see the other models that are also available. As you can see, one, Kling, Pixverse, Seedance. Okay, now you see this place, the road prompt. You're going to be pasting in your video prompts. I already have my prompts. Now you see this place that there's import, you tap it to add your image. Okay, so my image was in my photo library, so I just selected my image. Okay, then I selected my aspect ratio, then you select your duration. You can select up to 30 seconds. Okay, so I selected the duration, I selected the quality. You can use 480p or 720p. Okay, then immediately you tap on generate. As you can see, just to generate this video alone is 5 credits. Okay, if you want to learn how to generate image, if you want to learn how to create images and dialogue, watch my previous video. I've done a video on that already on my channel. So once everything has been arranged, you're going to tap on this generate. Okay, the only downsides to this platform is that you can generate only one video per email, one video per one email. Okay, so once you are done generating with this image, just for you to log out of this email, log into another email, they will give you some credits, then you can create some other videos. So your video is going to generate in, and in less than a minute your video would be ready. Now this is a video, let's watch it.
Can you believe we're finally flying together? This is the coolest day ever!
Now that your video is ready, you see where the road download. You're going to tap on it. You're going to see download. Then you download it into your phone. It's just as easy as this. You can use this platform to create videos. You can use to create images. You can use to create music. Okay, so just do it to follow this step, and they have different AI models for you to use. It's very, very easy, and trust me, you're going to enjoy this platform. Just make sure you stick to this tutorial. Okay, if you have any question, drop it for me in the comments. I'll do it to answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share for more tutorial updates. I'll see you in our next tutorial class. I love you all. Toodles!